Go.
Hey, it's me and
Rock, paper,
Isaac.
scissors.
Let's skate. Pretty well. Whatever it is. Look. I'm going for that. Okay. We're playing these 2 seconds, but you have to stay on.
Hey, I'll even jump in this.
No, you're gonna say one. S. Backside 180.
Yeah, leave it
No.
on the ground.
Alright, heel flip.
I know it's a bell. Heck, I'm not stupid.
There you are.
7.
Not even.
Stop it, okay? You can talk, but
There you go.
judges aren't rude.
Yeah,
I'll
what
judge.
you're doing, I'm just being honest.
Honest isn't needed.
Okay.
Do an aerial.
No?
A what?
An aerial.
Yeah, I
There you go.
Yeah.
What's the name?
Well, what you just did.
Alright, there you go.
What? Hey, Linda, I know.
Yeah, like that.
We only have 4 minutes to put it, so we're gonna stop.
You quit.
It's at 4 minutes and 14.
Alright.
I know.
Heel flip.
Holy crap, I'm not stupid. What the heck, Isaac?
You got this, Isaac?
Backside 180. Up on set.
Just do a fakey pop, shove it.
Alright.
I'm doing whip belly now. I don't know why.
Heel
Go
flip.
high.
Oh my god,
Dude, you
dude.
can't get enough air to flip the ball.
Switch 180.
Hey, dude.
Alright, heel
Richard,
flip.
where's the arrow? Hey, switch up.
That's broke.
Focus on the game.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh! Yeah, I like that.
What was that?
Switch 180. SK.
No, because you didn't do it. Your
Yeah, I
wheels
did.
didn't go off the ground.
Alright, who cares?
Dude,
Okay.
Isaac, don't let him do that, dude.
7. That was almost 3 seconds.
Shove it.
Isaac, you gotta do
It's
this.
fucking bullshit, man.
Wait, so now it's
If only I
SK.
had my board, dude.
Is it SKA?
No, just SK.
Okay. Let's try 7. 12.
Uh-uh.
Can't hold on for more than 3 seconds. 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
I go.
Oh,
That's
wrong.
two, that's two.
That's wrong. Wait,
Alright,
two.
heel flip.
You don't need to include anything else.
I can if I want. You're not the boss of me.
Shut up, little bitch.
Well, you're not the boss of
I'm
me.
gonna try to Ollie. No. I don't pass this Ollie. You're failing. Hey, how much time is left?
Oh!
Nice.
Landed on your bitch ass.
What was that?
Heel flip.
SK
Alright.
to SK.
Burial.
We don't have 1 minute left.
Burial.
So
Do
whoever's
it.
winning at that time. Whoever's winning when the video stops wins, okay?
Alright,
Because we won't be able to continue.
it's tied.
Dude,
It's at 28.
what kind of bearings do you have?
Hurry
on
up, just
the
go,
board?
Jin. Pack your shit. Alright, burial.
How much time is left?
Just go, dude. Who cares?
42.
We're gonna do the same thing.
Yeah, flag. What was that?
7.
I already did a shove it.
No, I said we do 6 seconds.
No, you can't do
Well,
that.
why can't even have a chance? Just go.
Alright, burial.
I need it first.
That board's rigged, dude.
Richard, how many?
How many what?
Burial.
Okay, this is annoying.
405.
Burial.